How to fix invalid SIM card or SIM card not detected. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily fix if you're having trouble with your SIM card. But before we do that, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Let's begin. So the first thing that you can try to do is remove your SIM card tray and insert it back again, because sometimes if there are a small vibrations that might cause the SIM card to lose its reading. So when you quickly take it out and put it back in, it will fix it most of the times. But if that doesn't work, open up your phone settings. Here you will have to go to your app settings or app vault, and you're just going to search for SIM card manager here. And here you just open up your SIM toolkit, and from here you just tap on clear cache first. After that, tap on permissions, allow all of these permissions, and on battery usage, make sure it's on unrestricted or optimized. After doing so, you just have to give your phone a quick restart like this, and then your SIM card should start working again. But if it's still not working, then that probably means your SIM card is broken or your card has a problem. Then you will just have to go to your provider to fix it out. I hope you found this helpful. Hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you next time.